So it might be kind of hard to see here, but I'm just kind of figuring out where everything is on the surface. So I might give an indication of where the eye line might be. I'm just going to kind of think about blocking in colors that I see. And some of the colors that I have here, this color is actually called rose salmon. It's a pretty nice looking. Maybe a little bit in the shadow under the neck. I'm going to go ahead and define a little bit of where the nostril is, and maybe a little bit of darker value here. And then we'll go right on top of that. Let's start with a darker brown here. And the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of define the eyelashes. Just let those come up just a little. All right, and there's the color I'm looking for here. This is dark rose, so it is rose color. Work it around in all different areas. All right, let's go ahead and do a little bit of work to the hair, and then we can come back and revisit some of these areas on her face here. So it comes up out of the head, and then it grows downward. That'll help it make it look a little bit more natural. All right, here it comes down. A little bit of white right on top of the areas of yellow ochre here. You got to be careful that you don't make it too white. You just want to lighten this up and a little bit more before you go to the actual finished painting. Areas. Let's put a little information about where the other eye is. Maybe that'll help things out a little bit. So it's about a couple notches down a little bit further underneath the nose, and all right. Let's try to get that brown in that lip a little bit. It just kind of overlap each other a little bit, if you like. So you don't want to kind of have a glowing dark blue. Then I'll layer over that with the brown. Good week. Next week we'll be back here on Wednesday. I hope that you will join me then. With that, I'm going to go ahead and sign out for this evening. Have a great week. And again, if you're in the United States, have a great Thanksgiving.